Hey guys, I am TanyaLynett, and today we are talking about B&G Trading. It's a company that I actually found on Instagram. It looked like they were doing a sponsored post, and what they were advertising was the company is selling returned items or pallets or bundles, salvaged items from Nordstrom and Revolve, Macy's, boutiques, things of that nature. With B&G Trading, you don't actually need a resale certificate, which most of these companies do require that. B&G doesn't. So if you're just someone that just wants to get a whole bunch of stuff at a really cheap price, this could be great for you. The reason why I considered buying from them is because I am a reseller, and going out to the stores to find product to resell does take a lot of time. It's taking gas. You gotta sign your feet. You gotta go through items. Like it's a lot of work. It's a lot of hours you gotta do. So I was hoping that buying from B&G could be my solution. If I get things shipped to me that is from Nordstrom or Revolve, which is kind of the demographic that I sell to, it'd be a great trade-off. I went ahead and tried them out. I clicked on the link, went to the website. They had one of those spin wheels for a discount. I think I got like 10% off. And what I chose was the Nordstrom Salvage bundle. It's 25 pieces. My total, including shipping and taxes, came out to $47.96, which is about $1.92 an item, which is really good. B&G Trading is located in California. I bought this on January 14th, and it did not ship until January 28th. And I probably didn't get it for like maybe another 5 days. So that took a long time, and that was a little bit discouraging versus if I went out to the store, I shop that day, come home that day, and list that day. And money's in my pocket, hopefully by the morning when someone buys it on eBay or Poshmark. So I wanted to make this quick, so I went ahead and put together this video of 25 pieces. There is a couple of them that I didn't include because the coloring just wasn't coming out right, and I just switched my setup to have my photo studio in my game room as well. This is my game room, hence the big mic and my Destiny yellow horn. Yes, I own that. I did a picture of the item once I edited it, and then there's also quick little footage after each one, so bear with me. I am still working out my lighting situation there, but thank you guys so much. Without further ado, let's get to it, guys. Adelyn Rae jumpsuit. This is a size large. It did come with the tags. The only issue that I saw with it is that there was a little rip on the side. So if you're good at sewing, that's an easy fix. This is a French Connection dress. I believe it's called the Lolo or Lola, possibly, because different colors. There was no cosmetic damage, meaning like spots or anything, but the zipper is ripped. Probably needs to be replaced. It came with the last chance tag. I would probably cut that before selling. Habitual girl, meaning this goes up to size 12. So this is not part of, this is not the women's collection that I was expecting. There is a huge rip here in the back, so I'm not sure if this is really going to sell. Citizens of Humanity. Just a couple of blemishes with it. There is a rip in the crotch, which is common among these kind of jeans. The back also was severely stretched out. This is a pair of jeans by AG. It was in decent condition. The only issue that I saw with it was the zipper was a little messed up. It did come with the tags, retailed for $178. Awesome. But that's going to need to be fixed. A pair of Joe's jeans. It did come with the tag. The blemishes that I saw with it is that there were a couple of spots on the front, a little bit of wear near the crotch. There's the brand, and on the back there was the rip. This is a pair of jeans by Garcia. It did have embellishments. It was missing a few. There was holes where some of them used to be. It did come with some tags. It's a size medium. It retailed for about $138. It was last price at $59. Lafayette 148, last price 174. It was written on the pant, so it actually bled through the back of it. There was also a couple of spots. Zila workout pants. It was washed. You could definitely smell it. Good condition other than that. 14th and Union sheer off-white top. There were a couple of holes with it, some peelage as well. This is by TopShop. It came with the tags. There was a huge stain at the neck, and there was also a makeup stain. Love Fire plaid top. It did come with original tags, but there was a rip at the front. Bronx Banco tan slip dress. I didn't find the price for it, but I believe it's $3.68. Something navy leopard top. Once I actually looked this up, this is a pajama and it comes as a set. There was a huge rip at the front of it, but it did come with the original tags. Charles Henry black dress. The only issue I found is that the loop where the button goes in the back ripped, which is a very easy fix. Go Couture, light pink knit dress. There were a lot of snags and a couple of tiny holes on this. BP basic pink t-shirt, tags attached, but there was pillage. Aster teal top, tags attached. The loop at the bottom came undone. Looks like an easy fix. $12 pink blouse. Didn't see anything wrong. The back strap might be loose. Paper dolls, pink, kind of a reddish dress, had tags attached. There is a loose seam at the waist. Looks like a very, very easy fix. All Saints Valentine's button-up shirt. Turns out this is actually a men's shirt. There was two rips along the buttons. We the Free by Free People. Light blue burnout t-shirt. Had tags attached. There was a tiny little hole in the front. I believe you pronounce this Bobeau. Green dress. I didn't see anything wrong with this. This might have been the only piece I didn't have any flaws, which makes me wonder if I missed something, but there were tags as well. English laundry knit high-waisted shorts. No tags. The zipper is going to need repair though.